flying on a big old sleigh with a sack of toys for girls and boys to give on Christmas Day. When he slithered down a chimney like he'd always done before, but this one house was set apart with a treat he couldn't ignore. See, other kids gave cookies, but this young boy, he was sly. He left 15 dozen Krispy Kremes fresh hot and piled up high. He licked those ruby lips of his and downed a dozen at a time. But in his haste, he found his waist a double now inside. He washed them down with a glass of milk inside with great delight and waddled to the fireplace as he pushed with all his might. Sweat poured down his rosy cheeks till he did admit, well, this big old belly all full of jelly ain't never gonna fit. That little boy had laid a trap for old Saint Nick, you see, but Santa was a wise old man and had something up his sleeve. Oh, I bet you didn't know this, but I've sung a song or two, and if you care to take a dare, I'll make a bet with you. I'll challenge you to Christmas songs, as many as you know. You've got me pinned, but if I win, you've gotta let me go. The boy said, my name's Johnny, and though I'm only 4, and I'll take your bet you're gonna regret, cause you're never getting out that door.
Santa's stuck in Georgia and the winner deals the cards. And if you lose, Saint Nick takes his trip around the globe. But if you win, Santa is your home.
Johnny tightened up his strap and he said, I'll start the show. Then fire flew from that TV set as it cast its crimson glow. He pushed those bangs across his brow and he struck a rock star pose. Then he brought that windmill arm around and a mighty sound arose. Said, well, you're pretty good, young son. But unlike you, I know a few, and I can sing them all at once. Oh!
Deck the halls with crowns of holly. You better not pout, you better not cry. I'm giving nothing for Christmas. Frosty the snowman.
All I want for Christmas is my jingle bells and silver bells. Grab it covered over by a robin and an egg. We'll snuggle up together like 11 more to leave and have a holly jolly Christmas is the best time of the year. In the meadow we can build a rock around the Christmas tree. It's the season to be jolly at the face allow. Dasher, dancer, prancer, blazing, comic, cupid, honor, blessing, must have been some magic. Gonna have yourself a merry little Santa Claus is coming for the law. Johnny bowed his head because he knew that he'd been beat. He laid the key to his front door on the ground at Santa's feet. Santa said, boy, I'm here each year if you ever want to try again. Cause I'm jolly old St. Nicholas, the